Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can link a device or open WhatsApp on another device other than your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up WhatsApp on your device. After the chat space of WhatsApp opens up on your device, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this three dots. Go ahead and click on it, which will open up a menu. Now on this menu, click on this link devices option, which will guide you to another page. Now what you'll have to do is click on this link a device option and scan your fingerprint. Now a camera will appear on your screen. A camera or a scanner will appear on your screen. Now you'll have to make sure that you have the QR code ready on your device which you want WhatsApp on. So after you've made sure of that, go ahead and place this scanner on that QR code, and that's all you'll have to do. The WhatsApp account will open up on your device which you wanted it to open it up, and you scan the QR code in. I hope this video helped you to open up or link a device to WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.